Martin was working in the construction yard where supplies for the new branch line were being delivered.
Oh, well, I never. Donald and Douglas. Haven't seen you two around in a while.
We only went to collect some more rails and sleepers. Hi, so you can build some more track, that's all.
Well, I don't know, but it feels like you've been gone for ages. Cheerio. Don't leave it so long next time.
The men were using dynamite to blast away the rock as they worked to level the ground for the tracks to be laid. Jack and Alfie from the Sodor construction company were part of the team too.
Hello, Alfie. Hello, Jack. Sorry I'm late. I took a wrong turn.
Well, at least you're here now.
It takes a very big team to build a new branch line.